Are you an aspiring financial advisor and you don't know the processes? Here are the steps. First, you look for a unit manager. For example, you are applying in Sun Life. You have to look for Sun Life unit manager who is open for application for financial advisor. Second, submit your resume or curriculum vitae. Third, after they received your application, they will be having an initial interview to you. What is your purpose? Why you want to become a financial advisor? Fourth, you will be having a training about Sun Life insurance. Tell about it, all about Sun Life. And next, after your training, you will be having a licensure examination for financial advisor. This is the licensing exam for financial advisor. So we have two parts of the exam. First part is the life or the traditional. Second part is the variable, which is the VUL. Don't worry guys if you don't know yet the terminologies like the VUL and the life. You will be learning it through your training. Okay? Don't worry. So after your exam, let's see what will be the next step. So I'll be discussing it to you with my next video. See ya!